Well, what a day. I hope we're having fun. If we're not having fun yet, you better check your pulse. Today is Monday, August 7th. I'm excited. Smash the like if you're excited. I've got a banger of a video here and an update for you today. Monday, August 7th. Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on The Pursuit of Wealth. Your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, and interviews. Your home to the best MJ community on the planet. Tilray Brands, the global powerhouse in the making, is acquiring 8 brands from Anheuser-Busch. Yes, you heard me correctly. The maker of Budweiser. And there's a webcast coming up here in just a few minutes. And for your viewing pleasure, I'm going to record it and post it because I love each and every single one of you. And I can't wait for you to all become multimillionaires. But of course, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you're new here, you can subscribe, take the bell, you'll be notified on any future videos or whenever I do a live stream. And for this next call, if you hit the subscribe, tick the bell, you'll be notified when I post the webcast here, but I'll be doing that here. It's going to be in about 15 minutes, so I got to be short and sweet here. Just did a video on Tilray Brands being a global powerhouse and hitting about $250 million in quarterly revenue Canadian last quarter. Now we're starting to see why Tilray is a global powerhouse. Tilray Brands announces agreement to acquire 8 beer and beverage brands from Anheuser-Busch, which is the maker of Budweiser, ticker symbol BUD, Bud. So here's the webcast that's going to be coming up here August 7th, 2023, today, 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time. So that is in about 17 minutes. So you can go on here, enroll for that if you want to join it live. If not, I'll be recording it and I'll post it after. As you can see, Tilray posted $184.19 million, and that didn't even include Hexo revenue. And someone said in this that it didn't. If you go down here, scroll down, he said, nope, doesn't include Hexo. Well, right here from the horse's mouth, Erwin Simon from the transcript from the earnings call. And just to be clear, we closed Hexo in June, so there's no Hexo numbers. There you go. Don't tell me I'm incorrect because that's right there. And if you want to tell me I'm incorrect now, then we can have that conversation. But don't mind being wrong. But in that case, I took it right from the earnings call. But 184.19 million USD for Tilray, and Anheuser-Busch bringing in about 15 billion. You got to keep in mind, Anheuser-Busch, right? Just beer, and it's not even that good. Tilray's got beer. They've got spirits. They've got the best MJ company in the planet. They got their distribution business, their wellness business. This company is going to make Budweiser look like peanuts, in my opinion. And they cut off that deal with Anheuser-Busch, right? Now they're going to be buying 8 brands, so I can't wait to see what they have to say in this webcast. I was actually just getting ready. And where do you think the once Hexo's on here, once the US legalizes, once we get the MJ brands infused into the brands in the US and the alcohol brands and everything like that, where do you think this is going to go? It's probably going to go up and to the right? Revenue is probably going to go, where's it been going from here? Up and to the right. So we're probably going to see something similar. And Budweiser's been dropping like a rock, actually, compared to where it used to be, right? It was like 25 billion, 24 billion, 25 billion. It's just been 10 billion, 15 billion, kind of starting to go the other way now. But I was actually just getting ready to do a video on Tilray. We broke into this falling wedge bullish, and now we are starting weekly consolidation, having lost the low of last week today. And we're looking for a weekly higher low. Well, we got a ton of room to form it, really, but we're still not in a weekly uptrend, so it's not a weekly uptrend yet. Usually bull flags are bullish continuation patterns. We need to be in a uptrend on whatever time frame to have confidence. So I'm not as confident in this weekly bull flag, but now that we got this news, I'm very, very confident that this bull flag is going to play out. And I just mentioned it to Power Group private community members. If you're not in the Power Group private community, well, you're missing out, because I just posted this here. I said Tilray waiting for an EMA 12 and 26 weekly bull cross, and the potential of a weekly bull flag is here. Not as convincing since it's not a weekly uptrend, but bull flags are continuation patterns, bullish continuation patterns. Still, the psychology is there though. And then this news just came out, and thanks to PowBot, which automatically fetched the news, I didn't even have to look at any kind of website. It just automatically brought it into the Power Group website. You can see here we have a bunch of other new stuff coming in here from Tilray Brands. Oh, here we go. They just released, okay. So here we go. Tilray Brands announces agreement to acquire 8 beer and beverage brands. And this is right on the fly, folks. You're getting the best of the best service here. From Anheuser-Busch, fueling Tilray's future in the U.S. craft beer industry. Oh man, this is exciting. Acquisition is suspected. Tilray is the 5th largest craft beer brewer in the U.S. with 5% craft beer market share. Pro forma revenue for Tilray's fast-growing and profitable U.S. beverage and alcohol portfolio combined with acquired brands is expected to be $300 million. Smash the like if you're excited. Wow. Global powerhouse, accredited to EBITDA, all cash transaction affirms Tilray's success in exit. So they said they were saving their cash, right? People were pissed off whenever that 150 million raise came up. But here we go. They were saving that 400 million for investments, they said, and mergers and acquisitions. So we could even see a merger and acquisition. They expressed interest in Kron. Imagine they brought Kronos Group And then they save that cash for investing purposes. So they were doing it to invest in acquire these brands, right? So here the Tilray will acquire Shock Top, Breckenridge Brewery, Blue Point Brewing Company, 10 Barrel Brewing Company, and Red Hook Brewery, Widmer Brothers Brewing, Square Mile Cider Company, and Highball Energy. Wow. I wish I could go through all this, but the conference call starting very soon, so I have to wrap it up. But weekly bull flag, as long as we hold 215, weekly bull flag remains intact. And if we break 255, which I can't see us not doing it into tomorrow, then we confirm it. And then target is 367 USD. And then we could still see an EMA 12 and 26 bull cross. You can see here whenever the shorter term is below the longer term and they cross, that's a bull cross. Last time that happened, price went from about $7 all the way up to $67, about 800%. Then we had a bear cross of those moving average. Price went down about 90% from there. Now we're seeing another bull cross. And like I said, this weekly bull flag target of about 367 looks very, very well to be in the cards here in the next couple of days, maybe even as soon as tomorrow. I've been saying that the Tilray chart is absolutely parabolic here on the MACD and the stochastic, and we're well above the 10-week moving average. This thing is looking ready to go here into the fall. We could get rescheduling to Schedule 3, safe banking, you name it. Oh my God, I'm excited for the fall. Smash the like if you're excited. And then we have the 50 weekly moving average to contend with. We haven't gotten over that since the bear market began. If we can get one to two, preferably 3 weekly candle closes over 274, we'll be going to $5 in a hurry. The 100 weekly there at 470 USD, and then we're testing the 200-day moving average right now at 270. If we can get over that 200-day moving average, I think we'll be going to that 470 mark very, very soon, and then we could see a golden cross occur over the next couple of months, in my opinion. Leading into the fall, we could even get safe banking all in one go. Safe banking doesn't solve 280E though. Rescheduling to Schedule 3 would solve 280E, and this market would absolutely catapult 400+%, in my opinion. Look what happened last time we had a golden cross. Price went from about $7 all the way up to $67. And then death cross, price was at around $13, went down to $1.50-ish. And then we're seeing another potential golden cross with beaten down levels even more than the last time we skyrocketed to $67. So it's just funny how I was getting ready to do a Tilray video, technical analysis video, and then this thing came out right away. I'm going to be diving into this as we wrap up here, but like I said, the webcast is starting at 4:45 Eastern time. So that's going to be in about 11 minutes. So going down it there, smash a like if you're excited. If you haven't joined the PAL Group private community, what are you waiting for? Go to palgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com. Both will take you there. I also have a free course, but it's no longer free. You can check out the Academy. It was free for about 2 years. Those that are in the PAL Group private community, you will get free access. So if you signed up before today and you're still an active member, just reach out to me. I'll give you a coupon code so you'll be able to get that course for free. But anybody who signs up for that course from here on out, unfortunately, it will cost money. And I'm working on an advanced course as well. But yeah, check out, you don't have to join my community, our community. It's the best MJ community on the planet. Why wouldn't you? If you're into MJ, we also cover crypto and a bunch of other stocks as well. I just bought PayPal today. They had big news that they released a stable coin to compete with USDC and USDT. But smash the like. It's Rod with PAL Group. Thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth. Watch out for that webcast video coming out. And if you're online, we'll see you there. Have a great night.